Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the Kems Natural channel. Actually, today I didn't even know what to talk about. But since here we talk about hair and skin, I just decided to show you from one of the old videos that I had here recorded on my phone while I took care of my daughter's hair in the last year. So I started with aloe vera juice. This is just a refresh of an old twist that she has had before. My daughter likes really simplicity when doing her hair, and I just follow her cue. I don't like to force her because I don't want her to stop enjoying hair making. So she doesn't start thinking of her hair as something difficult to handle. So I try to make it as easy and as simple as possible so that I keep her just loving on her own natural hair, since she decided that she didn't want to add any extensions to her hair. You see some white stuff on the hair, and that was from the lots of shea butter that I added into her hair. And for some reason that one I didn't really whip so well, so it kind of sat there. But as I took care of it, it dissolved and disappeared. You would see the final look at the end of this video. So today I'm really super excited. As you all know, here on this channel we just try to make hassle-free hair care routine for my hair and for my daughter's natural 4C hair. I tell her that she's a 4C natural queen, and I try to turn her wash day into something really interesting. Recently, I started to use this aloe vera gel sometimes just to add that super hydration or just another layer of moisture to her hair. And it's about 98% aloe vera gel and a little preservative. Since you know aloe vera gel normally is something that could go bad, so just a little preservative to make it stay. So this year 2025, this new year, I just want to remind you all that natural hair care does not have to be complicated. Just remember the different steps that your hair will need. Number one, pre-pooing. For about a year now, or about 6 months precisely, we started to do pre-pooing with both my hair and my daughter's hair. So before we wash our hair, we'll apply most times a conditioner and oil. And if I cannot add a conditioner, I just go in with a lot of oil, but I make sure that I wash it that same day, because I noticed that when my daughter goes to sleep with the oil in her hair, all her pillowcases are really soaking wet with oil, and it's not really a fun thing. She would not like to keep a plastic cap on the whole night because it kind of creates heat, and she would say it's uncomfortable, it makes noise. So for that reason, if it's only oil, I make sure that it's something that we do the same day, just for a couple of hours, and then we'll be ready to wash the hair in the evening. So don't forget that you don't want to miss pre-pooing. It's very important. Try oils that your hair loves. Olive oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil. You can mix them too, but make sure that you find an oil that your hair really likes. My hair likes olive oil as well as avocado oil. We don't really do coconut oil. It kind of gives us that dry feel with our hair, so we don't do it. But just remember that pre-poo is actually a game changer for 4C hair. So if you have your oil, please section your hair, and don't forget you can also use flaxseed gel. It helps a lot because it'll help you in taking out all the knots and shed hair that you've had from the last protective style. It helps with detangling. Just make sure that you do your finger detangle each section with your fingers. Okay, some people can use a white tooth comb, but I actually advise you to start with your fingers, as this will help you to find the knot easily without tugging at your hair. Okay, this step is a step that you need to prepare your hair to reduce breakage from the shampoo, and it makes the tangling process a breeze. Trust me, try it and come back and tell us. And then when you're ready to wash your hair, my friends, don't use any harsh any shampoo with harsh chemical. If you find any shampoo with African black soap, or just very mild things that ingredients that don't have sulfate, as long as it's moisturizing. If your hair feels dry, try moisturizing shampoo and then use it to cleanse your hair. If you think that your hair, you've had a lot of products, gels and all that, you want to use a cleansing shampoo. Whatever your needs are, use a shampoo that has no sulfate. It will help you, okay? Because you want to keep your natural hair oils, your natural oils, the ones that your hair just that produce, that you produce the sebum. You want to keep them, and whatever your hair has started to develop its own kind of moisture, you don't want to strip it all out. So opt for those sulfate-free shampoo to wash your hair on wash day. Focus on your scalp. It's very important to focus on your scalp. Massage it very gently. I noticed that recently I had massaged my hair, I think sometime in the middle of the last year. I massaged my hair too hard, my scalp too hard, and I began to experience some kind of wounds, like sores in my scalp. That's why I'm saying massage your scalp very gently so that you lift all build-ups without hurting your scalp. Then rinse thoroughly. Make sure you rinse it thoroughly. Don't rinse so that you avoid any residue from the shampoo and from what you're trying to wash away, and you will see that your hair will be refreshed without being stripped. Then don't miss deep conditioning. Deep conditioning is like a magic step, because when you deep condition your hair, you restore back in the oils and you take your hair back to a conditioned state after going through the shampoo process. So you can use heat with a steamer or a warm towel so that the products from your deep conditioner can penetrate better into your hair. Okay, so this is how we do it, and watch us how the end result is going to be. This is the end result of the hair. And before I let you go, I'd like to add that you should remember to moisturize and seal. Moisturize your hair with oils, with conditioner, with butter. Seal it. You can do liquid cream oil or liquid oil cream. However you chose, just make sure that you apply your moisturizer and you seal it with a butter or with an oil. Castor oil is a very good sealant at the end for those who don't think that it weighs down their hair. Please try it. And protective styling this year, please prioritize protecting your hair. No matter what, find a way. Is it bantu knot? Is it 2-strand twist? Is it 3-strand twist? Whatever it is you want to do, please don't miss this step. Don't leave your hair out in the loose. Don't over manipulate your hair. Protect your hair and use very simple protective styles. I like to do twists. They are my favorite. Some people like braids, some people like burns, but I'm not a burn girl. I'm very lazy to take out braids, so I prefer to do my twist. Okay, these simple styles, whatever one that works for you, will not only look nice on you, displaying your natural beauty, but it also protects your ends and it will reduce manipulation. So remember, low tension is key. Don't make it too hard. Don't make it too tight. Okay. If you want to maintain your hair's health, you need to make sure that you are doing low tension protective style. Okay. So that's it for the simple hair care routine for this year. Please come along with me as we explore what the year has for our hair and you'll see that you have this growth that you might not even notice, but people will see your hair bounce. If you have hair loss, or if you have experienced any setback with your hair can thrive again. Your hair can bounce back again. You just need to be patient with your hair. So remember, consistency is queen. Do these things over and over again. Wash, pre-poo, wash, deep condition and seal, or moisturize and seal, and protective styles. If you do all these things, you'd see that consistency is queen. So if you found this video helpful in any way whatsoever, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Please drop a comment below with your go-to hair care secrets. I would like to learn from you. Until next time, keep rocking those beautiful curls of yours and stay motivated, okay? Stay beautiful and see you in the next video. Bye.